OnlyTG Echo provides the function to set module. Modules are preset messages. You can use them when setting start message, auto reply, quick reply, etc. Let's get to set module. Step 1. Send the command, start to your bot, and click the module button. Step 2. Click the add module button. Reply to the name you want to set for the module. Click add text, type your text, and send. Once the update success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click add media, select a media file to upload, can be pictures, videos, or other media files. Once the update success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click add button, type button's name and the content, but only link or module is accepted in content. Click the preview, this message button, can check this content module. You can configure this module to serve as a start message, auto reply, quick reply, or other functions simultaneously. When you modify the content within this module, all features that utilize this module will be updated. For example, configure this module to serve as the start message. When you're setting the start message, click the use module button. Select the module and you can edit the module here. Let's see how it works. When user sends start, this content module will be sent as start messages.